Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About 4 sin x squared, we can put about sin x squared plus 3 sin x squared. This one in here, we know that this is about number 1. Sin 2x, we change for 2 sin x cosine x. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we do first the derivative for the both sides. So we have to u du equal to 6 sin x cosine x dx. Next, this is about number 2, this is about number 6, so we divide both sides by number 3. So you got number 2 in here. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, so we put number 0 in here, you got about 0. The square root of number 1, we have number 1. When s equals to b over 2, so we put b over 2 go in here. So we have number 1, 3 with number 1, we have number 3. 1 plus 3, we have number 4. The square root of number 4, we have number 2. Number 0, we change for number 1. B over 2, we change for number 2. The square root in here, we change for u. 2 sin x cosine x dx, we change for this one. U divided by u, we have 2 over 3. And now we can get the final answer. That's about 2 over 3. And we have u. The integration of du, that's about u. And we have the bounds from number 1 to number 2. And now we have 2 over 3 multiplied by number 2 minus 1. And we have 2 over 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.